Hello folks. Well, I have found absolutely one of the coolest things for my iPhone. This is an iPhone 5 SE. Now what that means is it actually has the A9 chip in it, which is what the 6S uses, but this is the smaller size. I don't carry a purse. I didn't want a great big phone, so this is the reason that I kept this phone. I was going to upgrade it to a larger memory phone, but the 2-year program of getting a free phone every 2 years is gone now, so I'm just going to stick to this. This only has 16 gigabyte of memory in it, and I've used already I think about 14. And so, you know, when you're taking pictures, plenty of times it'll say not enough video storage, you know, and if you put stuff up in the cloud, which I've done, it takes a long time to download sometimes if you're out. It's just a whole lot easier if I could increase the memory size of the phone somehow. Well, I gotta tell you, I have found a way. This is SanDisk's new flash drive for iPhones. Now I know they make these things for you know, for the other kind of phones, you know, for Samsung and everything, but to have one for the iPhone, to me, is pretty cool. It's got a rubberized curve on it here, and there's your lightning connector, which fits into this little slot, and you know, you pull that out and you plug that into your phone. On this side you have a USB plug, so you can plug that right into your computer and download pictures onto this and put onto the computer, or download the pictures and put onto your phone. This is a 32 gigabyte one. I got it at Walmart for $27.95. Actually went to Walmart and the gal told me there that they were sold out. They sell out of them right away, so I had to get this online. Came within 2 days, so it's just one of the coolest things you have if you're going to a concert or someplace and you really want to increase the memory on your phone, take some pictures. This is actually the best way to do it. And for $27.95, I mean, they make them all the way up to 164 gigabyte too. So well, I'm going to show you how this works. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is, once you plug this in, just like this, into your iPhone, right into the lightning connector like that, and right away you will get a notice that says iXpand Drive would like to communicate with the flash drive. Okay, so you say allow. So now I've got my flash drive opening up and it's showing me what I can do, arranging the content. Okay, now this is pretty cool. I can copy files, I can view the files, I can back up and restore. If I just say copy files, for example, I can copy files from the phone to the flash drive, or I can copy the files from the flash drive back to the phone. So this is great because I've uploaded some pictures onto this flash drive from my computer and put them back into the phone. That way, if I'm laying up in a hospital on my deathbed or something, I don't want to look back at my photos, I've got some pictures that weren't taken on the phone, but I can look at them. Alright, let's go back and I'll show you something else about it. If you want to take a picture with the unit, there's a little camera icon right here. Okay, if I click that, this opens up photo or video. Okay, let me get back here. Photo or video. See, just like you normally would do. It has the flash and everything up there, the timer mode, everything just like you would on your regular phone. Let's say I want to take a picture of this right now, so I'll go ahead and do that, and that takes the picture. Now to get back to the thing, I can look at view files, and this is going to show me where, and that puts it in the camera folder, and I'm going to take a look at that picture I just took. And there it is. This is saved on the flash drive. I can do this with videos too. You can increase it just like you would normally do with other photos on your regular phone. You can arrange it. I can forward it if I want to send a message, or forward it just like you would do with other stuff on your phone. Same thing, just like normal, but it's all on the flash drive. That's 32 gigabyte. That's like amazing to me to be able to do that and not have to use up the memory on the phone. So if I go back there and I want to look at other photos, like I have uploaded these photos from my computer that weren't on my phone, I'm going to show you right now. There they are. I can arrange them in ascending, descending, date added, file size, file type. I can sort the order. I can use in list view or grid view, which is amazing. I got it in list view right now. And so if I wanted to look at the picture, I just click the picture and it's just like it would normally be. This is my Brandy when she was a baby, and that's how she looked when she grew up and when she died in my arms. Okay, so you've got all different things that you can do with this app. The app is free. You download the app from the App Store, and you can do this, and there's plenty of things you can do. You can set up your layout. If I wanted to copy, I can select the pictures to be transferred like this. I can delete them. I can, if I want to do secure, I can say I can lock them up so nobody can see them. I can listen to my music from the app. I can look at all the pictures in my folders, videos, and everything. It's pretty amazing what I can do. Now, let's see. If I go back here, it tells me I have 2 GB of space left on my iPhone. This is, so that means I've used 14 GB already. And I can copy the photos all to the iExpand and then download them onto the computer. Really easy to do. Copy files, view files. If I can go to help. There's the opening walkthrough, which shows free up memory to make more memories. You can transfer your files to all of your other devices real easy. You can play videos and music directly from the drive. Don't have to use any memory in your phone. And you can save your social media stuff. It's all quite amazing what you can do. You've got a getting started portion here. What you do there is simply these pictures show what the icons do on the app and tell you exactly how you can use all this stuff. And it's a pretty amazing deal. Like I said, the app is free. I can name the drive. I can make it secure. So if I enable security, for example, I hit this. When the files are locked, they're going to be moved to the secure access vault. Nobody's going to be able to see them. I'm going to say no right now because I haven't set up that yet. But we go back to that. It's quite amazing unit. It looks good. It plugs in. It's flat on the back here. Easy to hold the whole thing. I'm just blown away. I'm really happy to have it. Now I can take videos and download them quickly, or take the videos right directly to the SanDisk drive. So I thought I would just show you this. This is mostly for my friends that have told me they've run out of memory or storage is low and how to transfer and all that. So I recommend that they get one of these SanDisks for the money. It's well worth it. Again, they make bigger sizes. So there you go, folks. I appreciate you watching. Hope this helps you out, seeing something new. And for you old timers or you old iPhone guys that already know about this, this is redundant. But again, I think this is a pretty cool thing. So thanks again for watching, folks. Please subscribe if you haven't already to see more stuff like this, and make sure you click that bell on the side so that you'll get notified when I make new videos. So take care. This is a Night Flyer signing off. I'm going to take my little flash drive right out right now. There we go. That's just absolutely cool.